tied herringbone stitch is a delicate decorative stitch and very simple to do. There are 2 easy stages and the results are very pretty. Begin with herringbone stitch, which is a simple staggered stitch. I have a tutorial here with more detail. Once the herringbone is complete, make small vertical stitches where the longer stitches meet to create the effect of tying them together. I find it too easy to work along the top and forget the lower sections, so remember to add stitches to every point at which the longer stitches overlap. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.